Aprilaire 500 Whole House Humidifier, Automatic Compact by Aprilaire is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Check it out. This humidifier was designed and manufactured in the USA by Aprilaire, the inventor of the whole home evaporative humidifier, and the leader in indoor air quality solutions. Full coverage up to 3,000 square feet in tightly built homes with a capacity of 12 gallons per day. Automatic humidifier with dual sensors to monitor and respond to both outdoor temperature and indoor relative humidity to deliver optimum humidity 24/7 throughout the home. Simply set it and forget it. Convenient digital control shows percent humidity, lights indicate humidifier is running, when to change the water panel, when service is needed, and blower activation switch sets humidifier to run continually, or only when the furnace runs. Humidity for Health. Aprilaire humidifiers can help you maintain optimal humidity in your home of 35% to 45%, which has been shown to reduce the incidence of respiratory infections and symptoms related to allergies and asthma by minimizing the formation of bacteria and viruses, fungi, and dust mites. Aprilaire introduced the first evaporative humidifier for forced air furnace systems back in 1954. Since the time, Aprilaire continues to lead the industry in whole home humidification systems. The manufacturer's evaporative humidifiers work by piping water into the distribution tray located at the top of the humidifier. The water is uniformly distributed across the width of the tray and through a scientifically designed system of outlets. It flows by gravity over the water panel evaporator. Dry, hot air from the HVAC system is moved through the moisture-laden water panel evaporator. Natural evaporation takes place, the water is turned to vapor, and the humidified air is circulated throughout your home. The models 400, 500, 600, 700 and 800 include the automatic digital humidifier control, which is designed to only be installed on the cold air return duct of the HVAC system. It cannot be installed on a wall in the living area as airflow will not adequately get to the humidity sensor on the control. This results in inaccurate humidity levels.